The DB Screenside channel presents Dames and Knights of the Order of the Screenside. The breadcrumb you discovered is a link to a web page which contains clues as to the whereabouts of the Screenside. I need you to follow up on these clues and discover the location of the truck and make sure it's healthy and happy. This video will answer some of your questions, but not all of them. You will have to do further research and investigating to find the ultimate answers to the ultimate questions. Solving life's most important questions. Why are we here? What is life? What does this all mean? These questions and more will be revealed just as soon as you complete a small quest. I need you to find a 1926 Dodge Brothers 3/4 ton screenside truck. If it's not happy, I need you to make it happy. I need you to acquire it. I need you to make sure that it goes to a good home. I need you to change the oil every 1,000 miles until you pass the truck along to the next dame or knight of the order. This is necessary because perhaps the truck got lost, or the previous owner died and couldn't take care of it. Perhaps it was lost in a fire, perhaps it was destroyed. I need you to find out where it is and how it's doing. This is not a joke. The truck contains the answers to the ultimate questions of the universe. What is life? Why are we here? What does this all mean? Your discovery links to a web page that contains thousands of clues as to the whereabouts of the Screenside. The Screenside contains the secret of happiness. There are approximately 10 time capsules scattered around the Dodge Brothers Screenside. I also use these labels as certificates of authenticity for my art, and I also use them to mark family pieces, pieces that were purchased by my family, pieces I purchased, and pieces that I'd like to stay in the family. The dates written on these labels is the date they were applied to the object. They're not the date of the object or the date the object was made, just the date they were applied.